That VWX file is a Vectorworks design document, hugely popular in entertainment lighting and stage design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll point you to the free Vectorworks viewer so you can inspect every detail of the layout. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific VWX application fails. More details to follow. A VWX file is a project created by Vectorworks, a professional CAD and BIM building information modeling application. It is used by architects, landscape designers, and entertainment professionals to create detailed 2D drawings and 3D models. Users search for this to open, edit, or collaborate on a design project. The VWX format is a proprietary, complex binary file optimized for performance. It stores a vast hierarchy of geometric data, object attributes, textures, lighting information, and attached BIM data. This binary structure allows for the fast loading and manipulation of large, data-rich models required in professional design. For full compatibility with VWX, use the proprietary Vectorworks developed by Vectorworks, Inc. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows may show only basic details, so full examination still requires dedicated 3D modeling software. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your VWX file and select Open with, Test Vectorworks if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If the VWX file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The error you're seeing is standard for a VWX file lacking the right context. Quickly review these key details with me before we move on to the fix. First, opening in Vectorworks. Launch Vectorworks and open the VWX file using File, then Open. The project loads with all design layers, sheet layers, classes, and saved views. Navigate between design and sheet layers using the navigation palette. Ensure your Vectorworks version matches or is newer than the file version. Next, using the free viewer. If you do not own Vectorworks, download the free Vectorworks viewer from the Nemetschek website. The viewer allows you to open VWX files, view 2D and 3D content, take measurements, and print sheets without requiring a full Vectorworks license. Finally, exporting to other formats. To share VWX files with users on other CAD platforms, export to DWG-DXF or IFC format through File, then Export. For 3D visualization, export to OBJ-FBX or Collada format. Configure export settings to maintain layer structure and geometry accuracy for the target application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.